Hello, Mrs. Patricia. I want to talk to you about something unfortunate that happened during your recent care with us. There was an error in your medication that caused an overdose. We were able to contain it, but it could have been fatal.
Wow. I don't really know what to say. That's a lot to take in. I knew something felt wrong when I woke up with all those tubes and machines. I thought maybe it was a complication from the surgery, but I didn't imagine it was because of the medication.
While treating your pain, a prescription for a medication called hydromorphone, a strong painkiller, was written for 2 milligrams. Unfortunately, there was a miscommunication during the processing of this order, and it was entered as 20 milligrams, which is 10 times higher than intended.
20 milligrams? You gave me 10 times the dose I was supposed to get? Are you kidding me? That's not a small mistake, that's negligence. As a matter of fact, that is criminal negligence. I am going to sue everyone. I want names.
Mrs. Patricia, I understand your frustration. I am also upset that this happened.
Okay. So what happened to me?
Well, the incorrect dose was sent to the unit and the nurse, following what was written on the electronic chart, administered the 20 milligrams.
I know mistakes happen and we're all human, but are you kidding me? I could have died because of a typo? A typo?
Mrs. Once again, I understand how upsetting this could be, but if you don't calm down, I will be forced to call security to restrain you. Getting this worked up is not helping.
Helping? How is almost killing me because of a typo helping?
If you don't calm down, I won't be able to answer your questions.
Okay, I will be calm. What happened to me when I got the doses?
This higher dose caused your breathing to slow down significantly, a condition called respiratory arrest. Thankfully, the staff responded quickly. You were given a medication called naloxone to reverse the effects, and we were able to resuscitate you and move you to the ICU for monitoring and recovery.
Oh my God.
I want to emphasize that we take this extremely seriously. We are very sorry this happened. You were given care right away, and you are now stable and recovering. We're conducting a full review to understand exactly how this error occurred and to prevent it from happening again.
I am going to sue everyone in this hospital. Even the damn janitors.
On behalf of myself and the staff here at St. Humber Hospital, I offer my deepest apologies. Like I said, you are now stable and recovering. We expect no long-term damage. We will have someone reach out with a letter explaining all the steps we are taking to ensure nothing like this happen again.
I want names of everyone. You can tell your team I'm talking to a lawyer. I don't care if it was a technician, a nurse, or a computer system. Someone needs to be held accountable for this. If I hadn't been lucky enough to be in the right place when it happened, I'd be dead and my family would be getting a call, not an apology.
Someone will be in touch with you shortly.